Okay, how to sign up for a Clipchamp account. We're gonna just type in Clipchamp, and it's the first thing, clipchamp.com. Okay, now that we're on this page, you're gonna click Sign Up. And now that we've signed up, we're going to select Education, Teacher, Student, and then Sign Up with Google. And then under there, you're going to select your Google account, your school account, and I'm just going to let it enter that. And now, you have a Clipchamp. So now you can just, what kind of video do you normally create? You can just skip for now. If you want, you can put whatever. I'm just going to skip. And there you go. You have now created a Clipchamp account.